With toddlers, every moment is a learning opportunity wrapped in giggles and exploration. Choosing the right play tools can foster creativity, improve developmental milestones, and keep your child meaningfully engaged, especially at home. This guide explores creative play ideas for toddlers at home, featuring top toys that blend fun with education. Key features to consider in creative play products for toddlers: age appropriateness. Always select toys that suit your child's age range to ensure both safety and cognitive engagement. Developmental benefits. Focus on toys that support sensory development, speech, motor skills, or early literacy. Safety standards. Ensure materials are non-toxic, BPA-free, and conform to BIS or international toy safety standards. Durability. Look for toys made from high-quality materials that can withstand rough toddler use. Screen-free learning. Choose toys that keep kids engaged without the use of screens. Ease of use. Toys should be simple enough for independent play but stimulating enough to keep interest. Portability. Compact and travel-friendly toys are great for long journeys or quick play sessions. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.